Hello there everyone. I've got some Hornby Battlespace and NATO wagons that I thought I would make a video of, so I hope you enjoy. Thanks very much for watching. Here's my collection of Triang Hornby Battlespace and NATO wagons rolling stock, and there's two locos in there as well. Some of these are really hard to get hold of, especially in good condition, but anyway, I thought I'd show you these. The hospital car, the aeroplane launcher that I have didn't have a plane on it, but I managed to source the body and made some wings, so I need to finish those really, put some motifs on them, what have you. Yeah, there's a bomb transporter, there's a rocket launcher with 4 rockets, the searchlight wagon with a working light. Now this wagon is a very interesting wagon. I'm going to show you this one first. This is an exploding car. There's a red one there which is actually Battlespace, and this one's the NATO one. But anyway, this one here, it's got a mechanism inside that when you fire it up, this locks over on the pin, and then it does this. It breaks up, doesn't it? So what you've got is this bar goes over and locks onto that pin, and under here you put some caps from this little wire, the little you know, caps from the toy guns, and of course when it hits that, it goes bang, and you know, it all falls apart. So they're quite good. So that's the NATO one, but this one here, well, this one is actually the same. So you know, it's the same as this green one, but this one here has got a completely different inside. It's actually got 2 rockets launchers, which rockets are actually here for it. Yeah, and it's very different, this one. And this one is the G10 is actually a very expensive item. You know, I've seen these go for well over £100 just for that one. It's unbelievable. But anyway, I'm lucky to enough to have one. So let's move on to the next one. Yeah, there's this one here, which is the Mal set. It's actually got the pickup and the drop off are both in the same colour, the khaki colour. Yeah, there's this one, which is the tank low loader wagon, the 2 bullets. This one, the helicopter car. And these normally come with lots of little soldiers, so that's actually got all its bits and pieces with its activating lever. Then there's the rocket launcher wagon, that one. That's quite a nice wagon, that actually. It's very good condition. A lot of these, you know, I have been collecting them for some time, so I've always kept the best ones. And yeah, and these 2 are very rare as well. But yeah, that one actually had the crane missing when I got it, but I managed to get a crane to go on it. But I think the crane is actually the real one for this is a khaki colour as well. But anyway, yep, there's the 060. That actually runs very nice and smokes brilliantly. That's a very nice little engine, that one. Right, okay. Now this one here, we have a man shooting on the roof, and when he goes over a certain point in the track, he goes up and down, a bit like the draft wagon. Yeah, so that's quite nice. That's got people with it as well, you know, army men. And this one here is a prisoner of war wagon. That's quite nice too. I really like that one. The door's open on the sides, and yeah, it's reminds me of Auschwitz. Sorry, I can't say it properly. Auschwitz, something like that. Yeah. Anyway, these two here, just a low loader and a flatbed, a bogey wagon, both in khaki, which are quite nice. And then we have the Battlespace. Yeah, so we've got the satellite wagon, the radar wagon, and the 040 shunter that goes with them. Yeah, so they're all very nice. And I actually got these to go with it. I thought if I make a setup, I might be able to put these on it. And yeah, it's bunkers and gun. Yeah, and some nice people here. I think these are all airfix. There's some motorbike riders there, and some bomb trailers, and yeah, push bike people, and yeah, these ones are actually really nice. They're all painted up, like, you know. I think then they might be micro machine people. Those ones, not sure, but they all are 00 gauge, and they all go with all of this. So yeah, there's some nice wagons here. hope you enjoyed my video, and thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks very much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Take care.